Hi and welcome to the Vegan Corner. Today's recipe is a bit of an unusual one that I wouldn't necessarily recommend eating straight from the jar: DIY face and body cream. Now, you might be asking yourself, what the hell? Why is there a recipe for a cosmetic product on a cookery channel? Well, if the word recipe is in there, the Vegan Corner is interested. We asked our supporters on Patreon how would they feel about having a series of videos on how to prepare a few simple cosmetics at home, and due to their positive response, we are here with the first of our cosmetic recipes. The ingredient list is in the description below the video. To begin with, place the aloe gel into a bowl, followed by half of the oil. And yes, you heard right, we are actually going to use oils in this recipe, and there is nothing you can do about it. At this point, start mixing vigorously and keep doing so until the ingredients form an emulsion. Keep stirring the gel until it perfectly combines with the oil into a smooth and super white cream. Here we are using sesame and almond oil for their nourishing and moisturizing properties. However, feel free to use any other oil you desire. Your choices range from cooking oils like grapeseed oil to something a bit more exotic such as argan oil. Every oil has its own properties, and you might want to look into that on the internet before making this recipe, so to allow you to make a cream perfectly tuned with your own needs. I'll leave you a link for this in the video description. You can now add in the rest of the oil and stir once again to incorporate it. At this point, the only thing that remains to be done is to add the essential oils into the bowl and mix them in to complete the cream. Here we have used a combination of lavender and cedarwood essential oil, which really is a great combination. However, you might well prefer to use other essential oils that better please your olfactory system. It is important to mention that as this cream is free from all preservatives and chemicals, it does lack of a long shelf life. This means that it is best to make it and consume it within 3 weeks. And here is the final cream, ready to be used on your already beautiful and unblemished vegan skin. That's a line I never thought I'd use to sign off a recipe. Please let us know what you think about this series. Do you find it appropriate for this channel? Do you like the idea of being able to make your own cosmetics at home, free of nasty ingredients? Let us know in the comment section down below, as we'd love hearing your opinion on this. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up before moving on, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to help support the Vegan Corner, check either the support link in the video description, or click the Kitchen Brigade icon, or the link in the card's sidebar. Thank you.